Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm back with another hot topic, haldi wala doodh, also known as turmeric milk and very popularly known as golden milk these days. It's truly worth all the gold in the world. Haldi is a very rich, very powerful spice, very commonly found in our kitchens, so we definitely need to take advantage of it. Haldi is an anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, it heals us from within. It is very powerful. It has the capability of fighting off heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, headaches, migraines, you name it. The list is long. So we definitely should take advantage of this powerful, very potent spice. But did you know that haldi alone is not absorbed by our body? It needs help from another spice called black pepper. Black pepper has a compound called piperine. And when piperine and curcumin